No one cares about your token, let's be honest. People only will buy your token if they think they will make a 10x or a 100x by buying it. And for doing that, you need to create a hyped token with volume, with people buying it, and with activity. You can make it organically, which is actually really, really difficult, but you can also push that to happen by creating volume with a volume bot or a market maker bot. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the step-by-step method that you can use to create volume on your Fourmeme token and make it pump to the moon. For pumping our token, we are going to use Binance Fourmeme Volume Bot by Smithii Tools, which is basically the best method available to make it right now and the cheapest one as well. The fee is only 0.015 BNB each 100 makers, each 100 buys and sell basically. So how it works is really simple. You just need to put the information here, the token address, how much makers you want, how much people or wallets buying and selling your token you want, how much volume you want to generate, basically how much total volume these all buys will generate on your token, how much BNB you can spend or you want to spend. It will change as you adjust these inputs, and how much time you want the band to run. Basically how long it will take to make all these buys and sells and generate this volume. So for using it, you just need to connect your wallet. I have mine connected already. So first we put the token address. Let me pick a random token that maybe don't have much activity so we can see it properly. This, for example. So random. There we go. It doesn't have a lot of buys, so we will clearly see how it works. Perfect. We paste here the token address. Then how much makers you want to generate. In this case, I will just put the minimum. In this case, I'm just gonna put 50. But my recommendation will be selecting so far maximum the total makers you have per day to make it look organic, okay? If not, it will be too obvious that you are using a bot. For the volume, it's quite the same. You can select how much volume you want, but I'd say don't over put volume that you don't have right now, because it will look really like a bot. For example, here we have a volume of 200k because it had activity and that it dragged probably, but you will put here another maximum, another 200,000. In this case, it will be a lot. You will need a lot of BNB, but it depends on your token situation and how you want to make it. If it had only 200 volume, you will put maximum 200 volume, or maximum 1000 volume. Okay. So here I will put just 1 BNB, which is not bad at all. And this is the BNB we want to spend. If we put here 10 BNB, we will need more BNB here as well. So it depends. And then how long we want the bot to run. The more time we put, the slower the buys and sell will come, and the more organic it might look. It depends on your token activity. Okay. So I will leave it just in 50 minutes. Okay. So now we have everything ready. We just need to click on Start Bot. We will see the transaction. Here we go. And we click on Confirm. Then we make a second transaction. The first one was the payment. This is the amount that the bot will need to run. We click on Confirm. Let's see. And we got payment successful. Now we can come here down to the logs, and we will see the whole process and everything that is going on the token, the makers, the volume, etc. In this case, we got the first log, maker funded wallet created, and this maker wallet was funded with this amount. Perfect. It will wait a few seconds, as you can see here, waiting this amount of time based on the schedule of time we have used. So basically in 2 minutes we should have the first maker starting. Now we have updates. There we go. Starting maker 1, waiting these seconds, funding attempt. There we go. This is the transaction, so you can track it on BST scan, and we can see that it already bought and sold. So if we come here, we can see this is the first maker we sent buying and selling. The amount of BNB and so on will depend on the settings you set. So you can start playing with this, run several bots at the same time, and you will create this FOMO effect on your token, so more buys and sales will come to your token. That's how easily you can run a volume bot and make your token much more attractive to push it and take profits. That's all for today. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. But thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.